Cookie. This is the parking lot. It's located at the top of the hill. Please park here and walk down to the lodge. This is the flagpole at Camp Cookie, where your day begins if you come to day camp at Camp Cookie. For troop campers, you have this large field for outdoor activities. This is the waterfront at Camp Cookie. It's off limits to troop camping unless special permission has been given from the council office. This is the lodge at Camp Cookie. This is the common room at Camp Cookie. Here is where the girls will eat and do their activities. This is the new shower at Camp Cookie. Leaders have been requesting it for years. It's finally here. This is the bunk room at Camp Cookie. It sleeps 18 girls and 2 adults in bunk beds. This is the kitchen at Camp Cookie. This is where you would prepare the food. There's a refrigerator, a gas stove, and a microwave. This is the porch at Camp Cookie, another great place to do activities with your girls. This is Wayfarer, the outdoor primitive unit here at Camp Cookie. The girls sleep in cabins, 18 girls and 4 adults. This is the cooking area for Wayfarer. All your meals are prepared on these fireplaces. This is the fire circle where the girls gather for s'mores and songs.